Welcome, we're happy to see you here. This is Cook with Vegan Black Market, and today we're going to be making chickpea al pastor street tacos. This recipe takes 5 minutes from start to finish and is surprisingly healthy, so stay tuned to see what we mean. Now, this Casa Verde garbanzo al pastor is from Vegan Black Market, and while it's a microwavable pouch, it has clean natural ingredients and no preservatives, making a great option. So we're just going to tear it open so it can vent, and then we're going to pop that into the microwave for about a minute. Now while that heats up, we're going to warm up some tortillas, and we do this on a frying pan for about a minute on each side. But if you're like in your break room at the office, you could just put them in the microwave for a few seconds to just get them nice and warmed up. Then we're just gonna take them out of there and set them aside for a little bit while we get the rest going. Now our microwavable pouch is done with al pastor, so we're just gonna grab a bag of coleslaw and pour it in a bowl. And this is the winning ingredient, guys. This Walden Farms lime cream street taco sauce is incredible. I have yet to discover such an amazing vegan product. This thing has zero everything, no calories, no carbs, no dairy, no fat, no sugar, like anything you can think of, it just doesn't have it, and it tastes great. So pour as much as you want, because you don't have to feel bad about, your diet or anything like that. So just, get a really nice flavor in there. And then scoop some up and put it inside your little tortilla. And then we're gonna grab the chickpeas and get a scoop of that and put it on top. And it's up to you if you want to add some vegan cheese on here. We chose not to, but that's always an option. And then we're just going to do that for the rest of the tortillas. Make as many as you want. That's going to keep you full throughout the day. 3 seems like a perfect amount for us. And then we're just going to top it off with that lime cream sauce again. But that's just what we're doing. It's healthy, it's right here already because we've used it earlier, but you can always use a vegan sour cream if you prefer. We absolutely love the only plant-based sour cream for Vegan Black Market. It is one of our favorite sour creams. The taste is just so incredible. Alright, and then we're just going to pour a little more sauce on the coleslaw and give it a good mix again. Alright guys, look how incredible that looks, and it's literally just 3 ingredients, so you can make these at home or in the break room at your office, and you can enjoy a really nice healthy lunch with very minimal effort. Oh, you know what? Let's add some parsley. There we go. That's so much better. And if you have any lime juice around, go ahead and give a little bit of squeeze of that too. So there you have it, guys. Just a few quick ingredients for a really healthy lunch. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget, you can get all the ingredients featured in this video at Vegan Black Market. You can also find links and a promo code in the description below. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get access to more quick and easy vegan meals from Vegan Black Market. See you around, guys.